Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the Renesas DA14531 Codeless solution for DA14531MOD. DA14531 SmartBond TINY module, an ultra-low-power Bluetooth low-energy BLE module designed for compact, power-efficient applications. Features an integrated SoC with BLE 5.1 support, ultra-low power consumption, a small form factor, a built-in antenna, and minimal external components for seamless connectivity. Applications include beacons and asset tracking, wearable devices, smart home and IoT, remote controls and high-D devices. The lab setup includes the DA14531MOD evaluation kit for functional testing, a mini PC running the Power Profiler application to measure battery current consumption and for real-time power analysis, and a mobile device to communicate with the device under test, ensuring seamless performance evaluation. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation, and this section on the right displays the evaluation output, including live data visualization, live board video feed, system logs, and performance metrics, providing instant feedback on your tests. Observe the progress log tile and look for System is ready for evaluation message to appear, indicating the readiness of lab for evaluation. Also, you can look for pop-up notification for extended information. Maximize the live video tile. And observe the live video stream to see the behavior of the device under test. Need extra guidance? Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process, helping you navigate every feature with ease. The following operations will be performed in non-assisted mode. To perform the selected mobile control feature, click on Connect. Observe the Connect operation response in the Smart Console app stream. During the operation, observe Power Profiler tile. It will provide a visual representation of average and peak current consumption, allowing for detailed analysis of power usage during various operations. Similarly, perform all other mobile control options and observe the response in the Smart Console app stream. Click on Serial Utility to communicate with the device using command line interface. Click on Proceed. Enter the AT command in the text area and click on Send. Observe the AT command response in the Codeless console window. To get the details of the AT commands, refer to the information provided. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the datasheets. Here is an example. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other live bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!